Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F23 and let me share with you how to change the SIM pen on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and in the settings we have to find the option biometrics and security. So let's tap on it. Here we have to scroll down until we will find the other security settings. They should be at the very bottom. And as you can see at the very top, on the other hand, we've got the setup SIM card lock. So let's enter. Now we have to simply tap on change SIM card pin. And as you can see here, we have to enter our current one. So the one we've got currently set. So let me enter it, tap on OK. And now we can easily enter a new one. So let me pick this one, just tap on OK. And here we have to re-enter it in order to confirm. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got the information that the SIM pin has been changed successfully, which means that from now on, after restarting your device, it will simply require the new pin which you've just set. So actually, this is it. This is how to change SIM pin in your Samsung Galaxy F23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.